This classic 1968 first generation Camaro with a 454 underneath the hood is obviously the inspiration for this 6th generation Camaro with a ZL1 supercharged V8 underneath the hood. The classic, plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque, classic lines and styling. The new Camaro, an absolute unit full of all the most modern technology, turning it into an absolute track monster. We're gonna put these two bad boys head to head and see what we got. As expected, the ZL1 gapped the 68 pretty hard. The 6.2 liter V8 supercharged engine in this thing is no joke. All the modern technology, you can go into track mode at the push of a button, magnetic ride control, all the extra goodies makes this thing an absolute pavement pounding machine. However, at the very beginning of this race, right off the starting line, where the 68 has a slight advantage over the ZL1, and that's indicative of that 454 and how good this car is at putting the power down on those big 335 tires in the back. It was short-lived, however.
Dude, I almost had you.
And I will take the 68 Camaro every day.